Hey everybody, Isaac here, coming at you just with a EDC pocket dump video here. It's a few items that I carry with me in my pockets each and every day. Got a car key here, gotta get places, gotta get home. A pen, gotta write stuff down now and then. This is a Zebra Model 301 blue ink. Writes nice. If I want to be Jason Bourne, I can use this as a backup weapon. We got some earbuds. These are Google Pixel. Nice. Case charges them. All good. Up next, we got the Emerson Market Skinner. Awesome folding knife. See it there, Market Skinner, made in the USA. Very sharp. I've been carrying this since I got it. Nice big size folding knife, a little over a 5-inch handle, and just under a 4-inch blade. Nice big wide belly there. Of course, we got a Bic lighter for all your emergency fire needs. For some reason it's got a pickle on it. Last but not least, we got the wallet. This is the Ridge wallet. Very nice. Upgrade kit with a coin tray, money clip, and you can fit, I believe they say, up to a dozen credit cards in there, but it's good. Carry that in my front left pocket. These the front right, these in the cargo, and I'm filming this with my phone, Samsung Galaxy S21, and that goes in the left side cargo pocket. But anyway, guys, all this stuff has served me well. Hopefully never need to make any emergency fire with my lighter, but rest, good to go, daily use, good to have an awesome blade. Take care, everyone. See you next time.